Prepare the roof rails before installation. Apply double-sided tape to the underside of the rails. We recommend 3M VHB PT 1100 tape with activator or a strong adhesive. The car roof should be thoroughly washed and dried. Place the roof rails in place. The rails should not overlap the original rails or extend into the width of the roof. We recommend positioning the roof rails so that the outer edge of the rails is directly adjacent to the edge of the original rails. Then mark the location of the roof rails with tape. Clean the area where the roof rails will be installed thoroughly. If there is PPF or ceramic coating on the roof, remove a section of the PPF or coating. Then, remove small sections of the protective film from the double-sided tape and fold them outward. Position the roof rails according to the tape markings. Remove any remaining protective film from the double-sided tape and press the rails firmly into place. Remove the protective film from the roof rails. Done.